In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently set up and save trading presets in TradingView, allowing you to streamline your trading process and improve your efficiency. Let's dive in and explore how you can make the most of this powerful tool. First, begin by opening TradingView on your device. Once you've logged in and navigated to the main screen, open any chart of your choice. It could be a chart for a stock, a currency pair, or any asset that you're interested in analyzing. With your chart open, you're ready to initiate a trade. Take your attention to the buy or sell buttons, which are typically found near the top of your TradingView interface. Click on either the buy or sell button to open up the order ticket. This is the window where you can specify all your trade details. Next, we want to include protective measures for our trades. To do this, turn on the brackets, which is a feature that allows you to set a stop loss and take profit for your trade. These are crucial elements for managing risk and ensuring your trading strategy is on track. The stop loss is your predefined price where you will exit the trade to prevent further losses, while the take profit is the price at which you will exit the trade to secure your profits. Once brackets are enabled, you will need to manually type in your desired take profit value. This value is the price level at which you're satisfied with the profits and wish to automatically close the trade. Similarly, type in your stop loss value, which will automatically close your trade if the price drops to a point where you want to limit your loss. Now that you have these values set, let's streamline this process for future trades. Look towards the top of the order ticket and click on the option labeled Order Presets. This feature allows you to save your specific trade parameters, which can be really useful if you find yourself entering trades with similar stop loss and take profit levels frequently. Click on the Save Order Preset option. This is where you can secure your current setup for future use. A prompt will ask you to type a name for your preset. Make sure it's memorable and descriptive so you can easily identify it later. For instance, if it's for an aggressive strategy, you could name it Aggressive TPSL Setup. After deciding on a name, click Save. Now the best part comes when you're placing your next order. Instead of typing in every detail anew, you can simply open Order Presets, then select the saved preset you just created. Doing this will automatically fill in your predefined stop loss and take profit values, making the setup process quick and efficient. And that's it! You've successfully set up a trading preset in TradingView. Using this method, you'll be saving time and ensuring consistency in your trades. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more trading tips and tutorials.